come on in. Welcome to 1530 Elderberry Court in Arroyo Grande, California. We are 1,919 square feet, 2 stories, 3 bedroom, 2.5 bath. We are so glad that you were able to join us today. Due to the current circumstances, unfortunately, buyers are unable to come into homes, so we thought we would bring our home to you. This is the downstairs great room. This is the reason we bought this house in December of 2016. The oversized living room, high ceilings, and bright kitchen open floor plan make this space perfect for the entertainer or the homebody. We've done some upgrades like the bar lights, the chandelier over our kitchen table, and also the ceiling fan. This house has also been upgraded with the hardwood blonde floors, which are one of my favorite parts of the home, and also the white shaker cabinets. We also have brand new upgraded Kenwood appliances, including the dishwasher, microwave, and oven, and a brand new refrigerator. Why don't you come outside with me? One of the other features that's my favorite about this home in Trillium is the double sliding doors to the backyard. I absolutely love this during the summer when we can have barbecues and have this door just open and everybody just coming in and out while we're cooking in the kitchen and hanging out, having maybe some wine, maybe some bourbon in the backyard. Another upgrade we've done to this home is the artificial turf, which we've put in the backyard. Ladies, it is so nice to have a green yard all the time that does not make your house dirty. We've also put this little veranda in over here that comes with the home, and it just adds a little cute touch to the backyard experience. This open floor concept downstairs is this is where you are living, whether in the kitchen or the family room or entertaining after a day at the beach. This space is where you're going to be spending most of your time, and it is amazing. Lots of natural light, high ceilings, and we're only 1.2 miles from the beach. So after a day at the beach, you could come back, set the barbecue up, and do some entertaining here at home. We have a pantry right here, as well as extra storage and a half bath. This is the door to the garage, which we will be finishing with. Why don't you follow me upstairs and I'll show you the bedrooms. Upstairs we have 3 bedrooms and 2 full baths, along with a laundry space. I absolutely love the high ceilings of this stair entry and the bright lights. In fact, on 4th of July, our home location in Trillium was the best spot for the fireworks. It was pretty amazing. It's also a great location to watch the sunset at night. So as I mentioned, upstairs we have 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths, and a laundry room. Why don't you come on in here? We'll start with this bedroom. We did the 3-tone paint in this home when we purchased it. We have the nice light gray tone throughout all of the bedrooms. We also did custom upgrades in the bedrooms, including the ceiling fans and also blackout drapes. You'll find the light gray throughout the 2 smaller bedrooms and the dark gray blackout drapes in the master bedroom. This also comes with a double wide closet. Come and take a look at the second bedroom. This one's a little larger than the first one. Again, great natural lighting, high ceilings. Again, we did the fan upgrade in here and the blackout drapes, and it has the double-sided closet. The bathroom over here has the double vanity and the separated toilet area with the tub shower. There's also, you're going to find our quartz countertops throughout. I absolutely love this foyer space, this oversized foyer space up here, just to keep things moving, especially with a family or as you're on the go. And I absolutely love having my laundry room upstairs as well, with hookups for washer and dryer and tons of additional storage right underneath the countertops. Now, for my second favorite room in the house, my first being the downstairs space, is the master bedroom. Come on in. This master bedroom has so much natural light. In the mornings, I love waking up to all of that natural light in the mornings. Windows around the corridor, high ceilings. We put the fan in here as well. And this is an oversized master bedroom, so it's the largest floor model in all of Trillium, and you can really tell by how spacious this room is. I love the glamorous master suite bathroom with the tub, the his and her sinks, the separated toilet area, and the oversized shower and walk-in closet. Ladies, I know you'll be able to fill this up too. This is such a great community to live in. Being so close to the water, we love riding our bikes down to the beach. We love going down to the village of AG, which is only a mile from this development as well. And the community is really cool too. The neighbors are so nice. And sometimes we all meet in the courtyard, which is right outside our door. And we'll have wine in the evenings, or sometimes we'll come out with our dogs and have a cup of coffee and catch up on life. But this is really where the memories are going to be made, is down here. Down here in this great room with plenty of space for an oversized farmhouse table like we decided to do, and lots of room in the living area for an oversized couches and chairs for you to relax, cuddle up, and watch some TV if you want. Why don't you come out here to the man cave, or as the MLS will name it, our garage. We've done a couple of upgrades to this space as well. We've redone the floor, so it's now the upgraded epoxy floor, and painted the entire perimeter as well. Right now, due to the circumstances, we have converted this 2-car garage into a gym and an office, but it's absolutely large enough to fit 2 oversized vehicles, if that's what you'd rather use it for. We just want to thank you so much for coming here today and doing this tour with us. We hope that you enjoyed what you saw and you would find this to be your home as well. And if you have any questions, please reach out to our listing agent. You can also find a ton of details on the MLS. And if you want to do any more private tours via FaceTime or Messenger, we would absolutely be more than happy to show you additional features that you weren't able to totally see today. Thank you again, happy buying, and see you next time. Bye-bye.